some fresh sugarcane juice. I'm not sure if you can hear me because the machine is really loud, but it's something really delicious and helpful in the heat. And we will enjoy this now. Today you can join us to 2 different beaches where we went during the day. And we found a bit of a more secluded place that is not as touristy as the main strip where we are. I wouldn't choose Palolem myself. I came here because our friend is staying here and we wanted to spend some time with him, but not because it would be a place that I would usually choose. But also from everything I've heard, it got like way worse over the last years with the mass tourism down here. Like Goa is super touristy in the north and less touristy in the south, but because it's so touristy, it's spreading from the north to the south now. So there is barely places left that are less touristy. And Putnam Beach, the second one we are going to today in this video, is a bit more relaxed, but it seems to be the new place where all the Israelis move that want to escape the war in Israel. So there's full of long time staying Israeli people now. So even that isn't as quiet anymore as it used to be. And it also raised the prices for accommodation there extremely. So this is the cheapest place to stay. And the beach in Putnam is still walking distance. It's a bit further. It's not like 2 minutes than the beach here, but it's still a walkable distance. We went to this a bit more secluded beach area today. My friends are already in the water. We have a nice spot in the shadow under one of the rocks here. You see, it's a really nice area. And my snorkeling mask is ready to try to explore more here. I also wanted to show you my finished Kaya t-shirt today. I don't know how she's calling it, top or t-shirt. That's the one that I still knitted recently before this trip. I'm sure you have seen me starting it on the beginning of this Vlogmas. And it's a really simple, beautiful shirt. I will try to take some footage later wearing this, but here you can see it has this lace portion at the top, here a small one at the sleeves, and down again at the bottom, and a little bit of texture here on the under the neck. So it is quite interesting to knit. It doesn't get boring, it's easy to wear. This is something that I can wear in the Buddhist background, and the yarn was a Montenegro yarn that I showed you before in the other video that I've not with me anymore because I'm traveling, so why would you bring leftover yarns? And some random cotton yarn that I had leftovers from laying around. And I think it turned out nicely and I like wearing it. And I hope you enjoy it as well.
Very nice.